November 7, 2019. It was a red-letter day for the school children and faculty members of the Talamban Elementary School in Barangay Talamban, Cebu City. Ambassador Francisco Benedicto and his brother Consul Enrique Benedicto turned over the Don Bernardo Benedicto Community Center in honor of the late father, philanthropist Don Bernardo Benedicto, to the Talamban Elementary School, Cebu City Schools Division, and Cebu City Government. The newly constructed center represents Don Bernardo Benedicto's love for education and the welfare and development of the community.
Now successful, and this morning we turn over to the school authority and to the city government, and I hope it will be very useful, very important to them to have our children to have opportunity, because this community center has 2 basketball courts and a very good standard cultural stage. We have washroom both sides, dressing room, storage, and it's a standard one. So hope it will be taken care well, and then will be very useful to the elementary school, because that is the hope. That is also my father that time always very keen, very vocal in advocating the education of the children.
The community center now becomes the venue for the school children to hone their skills and talents and contributes to the growth and development of the school through worthy activities significant to the social, physical, and cultural development.
Kani buhing handumanan, this is a living monument sa ilang pamilya nga makatabang ug dako sa atong mga tinun-an sa Talamban Elementary School and the whole Cebuano community. We are very proud that Talamban Elementary School teachers, kaming mga magtutudlo o kaming nagdumala sa eskwelahan.
With cameraman Jeff Cañada and Ronel Madrid, Dan Luzon, My TV, Cebu.